gym style, see? Show them the shrug, them shrugs. Yeah.
That's 20.
Do my weight, see? What's that, see?
So my man's like, he's living in the gym.
Word. That's a way you got. Stop playing with him. You see him working. Tell him what you doing. You working?
Working out, you already know the weight.
That's light work. That's lightweight.
Lightweight.
80 pounds.
Big.
Here in Chipotle with it. Look at that burrito. It's like 2 pounds. Bite it. Bite it, see? Now, how is it? Yep.
10 out of 10.
We just hit the gym too, right? Tell him.
We just came back from the gym.
Yo, guys, we are out on another fishing trip today. Just stay tuned for the car content we got coming soon for you guys. Like I said, we're gonna meet up with Blackwing, and then we got my boy Ski coming up with the Camaro, so y'all just stay tuned for that. I know it's been kind of slow on the car content, but like I said, you guys, I can't do too much with my car right now just because it's not tuned. It has headers on it, and I don't want to blow another motor. So be patient with me, guys. Y'all better come check out Zealand Smoke Shop. This is my man right here. Yo. What's up, brother? We out here. What's up, you guys? I have a couple of updates for you guys on what is going to be happening in the next couple of weeks. Number one, the biggest thing, we are going to H2O, me, TJ, Seed, and Chap. I know y'all haven't seen much of Chap yet, but he'll be on the videos, and he'll actually be, pretty much shooting the whole H2O after movie, just like he did last year. And I will tag his channel in that video once that is posted. But if you guys do want to go check him out, his YouTube is chap_302. Go give him a sub, like his videos, check him out. We're gonna be there. Just in case you guys don't know, it's in Wildwood, New Jersey, from the 22nd to the 25th. So we'll be down there, If you guys know that we're down there, come see us. Don't be afraid to come say hi. We're friendly people. So, basically, I also wanted to tell you guys that I will be posting some YouTube shorts of my old cars that I've had that haven't made it on this channel yet. I've had many other cars, because I'm only 20 years old, and I think this is my 6th or 7th vehicle, this G37. Yeah, I'll be posting some shorts of my other cars just so you can see them, and I hope you guys enjoy. Not one to really talk about drama on social media or anything like that, but I do want to let you guys know that TJ is pretty much just out of the Drifttweakers for now and probably forever, because honestly, he just keeps threatening me, talking shit on me. He acts like a best friend, but then he just turns around, stabs you in the back, and hates on you, comments on every little glow up in your life, doesn't support you. Those are not the type of people you want around, you guys. But you know what? We don't need it. Like I said, I'm Matt. This is my channel. We don't need anybody to grow this. I'm going to continue pushing this content as much as I can for you guys with all of my cars, all of the new things I do with them. Vlogs. We got H2O coming for you guys. So, guys, this announcement means nothing but just to tell you guys. Because he's getting too aggressive by threatening me, telling me he's going to pull up on me based off of, when he talks shit on me and I say something back and he doesn't like that, he says he's going to do something, he's going to pull up. You know what I mean? Like I said, I don't like talking about drama. I don't want this shit to affect the videos, affect any of you guys, anything like that. If you unsubscribe just because he's gone off the channel, go ahead. I really don't care, because that just shows you would only be here for him and not supporting me. But, like I said, I'm not going to get too much in depth, but I'm just letting you know what's going on. I got 2 good friends right now, Chap and Seed. Those are my 2 most loyal friends around me. I got 2 friends. That's all I got, you guys. Literally 2 friends. That just shows you how many people you cannot keep around you, because they're either shiesty, they'll do something, or they're just fake and haters. And that's what a lot of people are. Once they have something that they think you don't have, or they think they're doing something that you can't do, they will talk down to you. But then when they see your glow up, like for example, I haven't really hit my total glow up yet. I've made a lot of moves in my life at 20 years old, and I'm doing better than a lot of other 20-year-olds. But I'm not there yet. And see, I'm not scared to admit that. I'm not scared to talk about my life and put it out on the line and just let you know who I really am. I never said I was gangsta. I never said I was hood. I never said I was any of that. But I just don't play about my life. I'm one of those people that just does not play about my character, about how people speak about me, and about my life. And that's how I've always been. And that's how my dad is. I'm just like my dad. I do not mess around with that. I'm sure a lot of y'all don't either, so y'all could respect that. But thank you guys for listening to this announcement. This is how it's going to be for a while until he personally chooses to come to me without me having to reach out to him and come have a man-to-man talk with me if he really wants to get back on the channel or become, whatever, friends or whatever. But I'm just done taking the disrespect. I'm done taking all of it. Like, even if, like, I said something about his car one time or something, it doesn't mean he doesn't say things about my stuff. And then he gets offended and takes it to a whole different level. And then when you tell me you're going to come do something to me and pull up to my property, that's when I lose it all. You know what I mean? That's not going to happen around here. My dad wouldn't allow that to happen either. One, there's cameras, so, good luck pulling up and trying something. That's the one thing. Just people these days, they don't think about anything. They don't think about anything, you guys. I also wanted to tell you, I recently just got a new job, and it's actually where he works, TJ, but I got myself the job because he didn't want to help me out with it. He didn't think I could get it, but I did it myself. Then he hates, and this is an example, he goes and says, oh, I'm going to tell the boss that you're a lazy-ass worker, when he knows damn well I worked harder than him at the golf course job. And he knows I'm a hard worker, and he knows I hit the gym 6 days a week, and he just loves to hate on me, you guys. That's just a prime example of someone who acts like they're around you. A good talk for you guys, because you'll learn a lot from this. Don't trust everybody that says they're your friends. Don't trust everybody that says they're going to be there for you, not go anywhere, because they'll switch up in an instant. They'll switch up in an instant. And that's what I noticed with him. He doesn't have much heart. He can't take much. And then he blows up, and then he'll try to cut you off and act like, you guys were never anything. There was never anything. Then expects you to come back to him and talk to him again. That is how it's going to work. I'm a grown man now. He's a grown man. Whatever, he's got his own thing going on. I got my own thing going on. And I'm sure we both don't want to really get into it because we know what we can both do. That's just the truth. I don't want anything to happen. I just think we need to just stop, communicating. Because, y'all don't know this, but last H2O, we weren't even talking, and he was down there, and he texted me and said, you come down here, but didn't even link up with me one time, and he was just acting on some weird shit. It's always like a weird vibe. Like, the vibe is like good a little bit, and then he just like was on some straight weird shit, and I don't do nothing but just be myself. So if you hating on a G like me, then you hating on a humble ass person, because I'm a real humble person. I don't go around saying I'm this, I'm that, but he just likes to act like he makes so much more moves than me, but he forgets that he's never even really had much nice cars. Every one of his cars I've smoked in a race. Literally, I'm calling you out on this right now because it's true, and I've paid for all my own cars as well. Keeps trying to say it's mommy and daddy's money. I literally worked jobs for all of this money, saved it all up, and blew it on a G37, and he was there as well, so he knows. So anyways, done talking about that, you guys. Stay tuned for what's coming. I just hope you guys learned something from this clip. I know it's a bit lengthy, but I do need to have these discussions with you guys just as a channel, because I want you to know what is really going on inside my life. Maybe the reason why I don't get so much content, maybe the reason, stuff, it gets slow a little bit, but how it gets. How expensive cars are. And how it is when you first start a YouTube channel and you just don't have many outlets or many, connections and stuff like that to keep the videos going. So you got to get up, you got to climb the totem pole, basically. You got to get up there. So you know what, guys? I'm just going to stand here as humble as I always am. Keep working out with Seed 6 days a week. Work, save money, make money, continue to upgrade my car and share it with you guys, and live my life how I'd like it. Because you know what, guys? They say you only live once, and I live my life happy. That's all I know. I don't know about other people, but I live my life happy. I wake up and I think of every day as a blessed day, because I know I won't see these people again. And especially once I'm up there, I'm not going to see them. You know why? Because they'll hate on me even more. Because they'll say, oh, well, you didn't want to bring me there. You always told me I was a bum. They'll try to pull that card. I'm sure you guys know that. They'll try to say, oh, you never supported me or this, that. But when you were really down for them, on your hands and knees, helping them with work, you know, giving them rides, you know, I would even spare money if I had to. That's just the type of person I am. I got a good heart until you play with it. A lot of people think they can play with it because a lot of people, for some reason, just think I'm not about anything I talk about. They just think I'm either all this or they just think I'm something else. But that's because they really don't know the real me. They see pictures of me, they see videos of me, but they don't know me. They don't know the core of me. They don't know what I'm about. They don't know what I could do. They don't know what I will do. That's not a threat. That's just a truth. So you know what, guys? I appreciate you for watching this clip. And we are going to continue on stress-free. Make these videos for y'all. Stay tuned. Yo, Matt coming back at you guys. So this video was basically just an update for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for us, guys. Drew's right behind the camera.
We're gang shit.
We just hit the gym, y'all. Y'all can see it right there. But yeah, man, we in the G and we're just grinding for y'all, man. We putting in that work, and stay tuned because H2O is coming soon. A lot more car content coming soon, guys. You know what I'm saying. We got, like I said, I already told you 2 people we got coming up. There's gonna be some more meets coming. It's turning into fall. So yeah, guys, just stay tuned. Bow.